Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up Google Antigravity IDE on Windows 11. So, if you want to use Google Antigravity on your computer, but you do not know where to download it, how to install it, or what to click after opening it for the first time, then this video is for you. I will take you through everything slowly, step by step, from opening your browser, downloading the app, installing it, signing in, choosing the basic settings, and opening your first project. Make sure you follow each step carefully so you do not miss anything. Step 1. Open your browser. First, go to your Windows 11 computer and open your browser. You can use Google Chrome for this because Google recommends having Chrome ready when using Antigravity. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar at the top. Now type Google Antigravity Download and press Enter. After the results open, look for the official Google Antigravity website. Make sure you are not downloading it from a random website. This is important because you want to get the real app, not a fake file. Once you see the official page, click on it and wait for the download page to open. Step 2. Download Google Antigravity for Windows. Now that you are on the download page, look for the Windows option. Since we are using Windows 11, choose Windows Download. In most cases, you will see a button for Windows. Click that button and wait for the file to download. The download may take a little time depending on your internet speed, so just wait until it's complete. You can check the download at the top right or bottom left of your browser, depending on the browser you are using. Once the download is finished, click on the file. You can also go to your Downloads folder and open it from there. Step 3. Install Google Antigravity. After opening the downloaded file, Windows may ask if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes. Now the installer will open. Just follow what you see on the screen. If you see an Install button, click Install. If you see a Next button, click Next. At this point, you do not need to change anything unless you know exactly what you want to change. For most people, the normal settings are fine. Wait for the installation to finish. Do not close the window while it's installing. Once it's done, you should see an option to open Google Antigravity. Click Open or Finish. Now you may see a welcome screen or a setup screen. Go through it slowly. If you see a policy or data use page, read it first, then click Next. After that, you may be asked to choose how the app looks. This is where you can pick a light theme or a dark theme. Choose the one that is easiest for your eyes. If you're not sure, choose the default option. You can always change it later from the settings. The goal here is to get the app ready first. You do not need to change too many settings in the beginning. Once you click Finish, the main Google Antigravity screen should open. And that's how to install and set up Google Antigravity IDE on Windows 11. Now you know how to download it from the official page, install it, sign in, finish the first setup, open the IDE, create a folder, and start your first simple project. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.